For 2 nights, and I thought I would give you a little room tour. It's like a 2-star hotel, so considered budget, but it's a really big room. I'll go into the bathroom first. You can see it's got loo, it's got soap, it's got shampoo and a shower, and little dinky towels. It's actually for 3 people, this room. It's got a double bed. It's got this really nice painting of, I believe is the St. Stephen's Church up here. And just the usual, we've got the wardrobe, bedside table, and quite a big room. And this would have been, I guess, a 3rd bed as well. But for 1 person, there's plenty of room. And I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to be in Vienna for 2 days, so I'll be up bright and early tomorrow. The city centre of Vienna. I got a tram from my hotel. I've discovered online that you can actually buy the tram tickets on the actual tram itself, rather than having to do it online. So we only took 3 stops, and this is the Vienna Opera House, which I saw last night. That looks pretty spectacular. I'm going to have breakfast, and then I'm going to join the classic tour of Vienna, and that should take a couple of hours of a walking tour. I've come to Albertina Square, and there were a lot of really, really expensive coffee houses, where we're talking like St. Mark's Square Venice prices here. So I came around the corner to a place called Coffee Day, as you can see here, and I've got all of this. So I've got a cappuccino, I've got a pure orange juice, really fresh squeezed orange juice and water. I've got a croissant and some Viennese bread. I've got ham, I've got cheese, I've got some yogurt and a boiled egg. And that all came for €10. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So part of the Hofburg Palace complex.
If you look up, this is a fresco from the 16th century, and it displays all the coat of arms. I'll go like this. Sorry. It displays all the coat of arms of the countries Ferdinand used to rule here in Austria. Yeah. And over here, guys, was a drawbridge. Okay, like this. And here's the relic of the former moat, which surrounded the castle once. There was water inside once. Okay, it was like that.